I have worked as a nuclear power electrician and 17 years in the HVAC trenches. Today, we are looking at two heavy hitters in the premium ducted split heat pump category. The Comfortmaker Ion 18 model C5H8T and the Trane XR16 are both high quality machines. They take different approaches to protecting your investment. Starting with the build, the Trane XR16 features full louvered panels. As a former electrician, I appreciate that extra layer of protection against hail. The Comfortmaker C5i utilizes a wire grill for its coil protection. Wire grills allow for maximum airflow, but they expose delicate aluminum fins. When we look at efficiency, both units utilize two-stage compressors. The Comfortmaker C5H8T has an HSPF2 rating of 8.5. The Trane XR16 typically lands around 8.1 HSPF2. These two-stage compressors are a massive upgrade over old single-stage units. They start in a lower stage to avoid that massive inrush current. This puts significantly less stress on your capacitor and contactors. Now, let's talk brass tacks, the price. The Comfortmaker Ion 18 condenser usually retails between $1,800 and $3,200. Once you factor in air handler and labor, installed price is $7,500 to $10,100. Trane carries a premium price tag. The XR16 ranges from $2,600 to $4,200. Total installation costs for Trane frequently climb between $10,000 and $16,000. Before we get to the winner, remember that the best heat pump will fail if you don't keep it clean. You need to rinse those coils every spring and change your filters monthly. A clean system pulls fewer amps and keeps your wallet happy. In the warranty battle, Comfortmaker offers a feature that Trane can't match. Both offer the standard 10-year parts and compressor warranty. Comfortmaker includes a 10-year no-hassle replacement limited warranty. If the compressor or coil fails in the first decade, they replace the whole outdoor unit. Trane's warranty is solid, but it doesn't offer that same peace of mind. The verdict is clear. If you live in an area prone to heavy hail, the Trane XR16 is a tank. But for the homeowner's bottom line, the Comfortmaker Ion 18 C5H8T is the definitive winner. It provides slightly better heating efficiency and a superior replacement warranty. It protects you from major failures while saving you thousands on installation. Shop like a pro using our head-to-head tool on the HVAC for Beginners website.